really felt it when Bob Marley said, "You may not be her first, her last, or her only. She loved before she may love again. But if she loves you now, what else more? She's not perfect. You aren't either. And the two of you may never